Today we are going to make cream cheese. Cream cheese is light and mild in flavor and perfect for any time of the day. You can layer it over bagel, toast or crackers or use to make desserts or creamier sauces. In a pot, add a splash of water and immediately add a liter of milk. Occasionally stir to avoid the milk from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Bring it to a boil and reduce the flame to low. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and gently mix the milk until it starts to curdle. Once the whey and the curd has separated, take it off the flame and set aside. To strain it, I like to use a large bowl topped with a sieve and covered with a malmal or a cheesecloth. Pour the content of the pot directly onto the fabric. I'm going to set the whey aside because it can be used to cook vegetables or to knead dough. We will need to gently rinse the curd to get rid of any taste vinegar might have left behind. Once done, roughly squeeze the curd to get rid of the excess water. In a mixing bowl, measure 80 ml of whipping cream. Blend it for 2 to 3 minutes or until doubled in size and set aside. In a food processor, add the curd, milk and process it for a minute. Milk is optional. You will need it only if you have dried the curd out a bit more than required. After a minute, add all the whipping cream, salt to taste, and process until creamy. Scrape down the side and process for the final time. And that's how simple it is. You can just fill it in a jar and refrigerate for up to 7 days. You can also add some flavor by adding some ground pepper, dried herbs, chili flakes, and bringing it all together. If you like a bit of crunch, you can coarsely chop some pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and dried blueberries and cranberries. Add it to a jar, top it with some cream cheese. Really pack that cheese in and finish it with another layer of the beautiful crunch. Serve it with your choice of base and enjoy. And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.